Sawadee krap, guys. ยินดีทุกท่านเข้าสู่ครัว BN Travel Channel Kitchen Around the World วันนี้ผมจะมาทำปลาตอกปลาปิกเกียให้ทุกคนได้ดูและตามกัน Hello guys, welcome back to BN Travel Channel Kitchen Around the World. Guys, if you are just new watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section so I'll be officially welcome you to my lovely YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you and I'll be teaching you how you can prepare your fried fish chili sauce. You know, spicy. Let's go to the kitchen. Before we hit the kitchen, first of all, always keep clean. Wash your hands. So I'll be starting off with washing my fish properly. So you have to take off the skin properly. It's already properly washed.
Let it be like this.
Guys, as you can see, I'm done with this style of my cooking. You know what I'm saying? So before I start eating, I would like you guys to join me, okay? And before I start eating, I would like to say something to my viewers. For those of you who have been watching my video, I've been watching you on the Plasma TV. As you have never subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the like button. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section. I will officially reply you. So guys, first of all, I would like to take the fish. Oh my. This, I have to fork it up like this. Yeah. I must confess, try this at home. It's just so simple to fix this simple dish, okay? The fish is so delicious. One thing I love about the green onion, the spring pepper, the spring onion is it gives this fish a little bit aroma, and the powder and get the fish a little bit crispy, mixed with the flavor, So this fish is just so tender, by frying it, You have to fry it so it looks very goldish and crispy, so you can enjoy it as well with the rice. So guys, you can try this at home. Try this with your family, wherever you go. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I love you guys. Catch you on the next video, as I'll be keeping it real. Keep it real. Keep it real.